Most people open the Walmart app expecting delivery at checkout, and suddenly, the option is gone. No explanation, no warning, just missing. That's when the confusion starts. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart delivery not showing up is usually not a glitch. It's a settings, eligibility, or availability issue that can be fixed once you know where to look. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly why Walmart delivery disappears in 2026, how to fix it step by step, and how to make sure it shows up every time you order. Let's start simple. Walmart offers delivery based on your location, item eligibility, store availability, and membership status. If any of these factors don't match, the delivery option may not appear at checkout. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most users assume the app is broken, but in reality, the system is just filtering out delivery because something in your order doesn't qualify. First possible reason is your location. Delivery is not available in every zip code, or for every store. If your address is slightly outside a delivery zone, the option disappears automatically. Second reason is item eligibility. Some products are only available for pickup or shipping, not local delivery. This is especially common with oversized items or third-party marketplace sellers. Third reason is time slot availability. Even if delivery is normally supported, high demand can temporarily remove available delivery windows. That makes it look like the option is gone. But here's the problem most people miss. They never refresh their cart, or check item by item eligibility. One non-deliverable item can remove delivery for the entire order. So let's fix it step by step. First, open your cart and check each item individually. Look for delivery eligibility under each product. If one item is not eligible, remove it and see if delivery returns. Second, verify your address in the account settings. Make sure it is complete, accurate, and within supported delivery zones. Even small formatting issues can affect availability. Third, try switching stores. Sometimes delivery is available from one nearby store, but not another. Changing the store selection can instantly bring the option back. Now here's a smart tip. If you are using the app, log out and log back in after making changes. This forces the system to refresh availability and often restores missing delivery options. Another useful fix is clearing your cart completely and rebuilding the order. It sounds simple, but it resets eligibility filters that sometimes get stuck. Also check whether you are signed in correctly. Some delivery features only appear when your account is fully recognized with active settings and location permissions enabled. So to wrap it up, delivery usually disappears because of location limits, item restrictions, store availability, or cart conflicts. Once you identify the exact cause, the fix is usually quick. If this helped you restore your delivery option, like the video, comment what issue you faced, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this.